Hello, I am Tine from Victoria Designs, and in this video I am going to show you a little bit, just a fraction of what's going to be new in November. Well, this is the fraction. I'm gonna go really quickly through it. So first of all, we have a autumn forest residence kit. So just an autumn forest kit with lots of cuties in there. So these are a few of the papers. Also some horizontal papers. Some non-directional papers indeed. Just a few thingies to show you. And here I also have some embellishments. There are 3 actually, with tabs in the center and tabs on the other side as well. And there's also going to be a tutorial with this. I'm not going to show you too much, except for a few journal pages. Here you can see a few of the journal pages. These are just bound already. That's the difference, but I just wanted to give you like a sneak peek. You know, lots of cuties. Okay, the next new kit for November is the Thanksgiving kit. Now, everything Thanksgiving is in here, like the turkeys and the beautifully set table, and it's about abundance and nice food and harvest, etc. But the word Thanksgiving is not really used in this kit, so everybody who doesn't celebrate Thanksgiving, like me, can also completely use this kit, because it's just a beautiful harvest kit then, and a thankful kit, you know? Everybody is thankful. Oh, look how beautiful that is. Ooh, pie! Yeah, I want that right now. Look how cozy. And some horizontal papers, full papers that you can use. Some vertical papers as well. And some of the embellishments, you know, there are 15 sheets, of course. Oh, these circles have such great landscapes in them. Fussy cutting images, and these as well, and many more sheets. And another new kit for December is the Cozy Winter Town kit. Imagine it's winter, it's snowing, and you're walking in a little cozy town. That is like the cutest you've ever seen. And this is an example of a bakery window. Okay, so this is another pattern. Another vertical paper. Oh yeah, there we go. Of course, snow. Here's an embellishment sheet. I think they're like a little bit all over the place, sorry about that, but here's a journal page. Oh, look at those mittens. See the cozy town, beautiful town through the window. Like, I want to live in such a town, you know? Horizontal papers, some with a lot of typography. Another horizontal paper, and some more embellishment sheets, text, and a lovely pocket. And another new kit that's going to be released in November is Santa's Little Helpers kit. So imagine Santa is getting everything ready for Christmas, all the gifts, etc. And his helpers are not elves, but beautiful, cute little animals. So they're working in Santa's workshop. Here's a horizontal paper, the vertical paper, more papers. These are just a few, of course. There are more papers and patterns in this kit. Gifts. Oh, this is a lovely pattern. Embellishments with pockets and more. I love these cards. These are journal cards. They're very beautiful and very detailed, but you still have a lot of room to write something on there. Some stamps, fussy cutting sheets, and then a few of the journal pages. Let's see, the workshop. Cute rabbit in the workshop. Etc. Now actually, with this kit, I am going to make a tutorial It's just not ready yet at this point, so I have nothing for you to show except for the printables. And another new kit for November is the Jane Austen's desk kit. So everything you can imagine being on Jane Austen's writing desk, it's in this kit. So ideas for her books. Look at this library. And book titles and scenes from her books. Look at that. These are horizontal papers. Some vertical papers. Oh, I love this one. Another vertical one. Or this is a pattern that goes all directions. That's sometimes very handy to have. Another paper. Yeah, I just love these papers. Some embellishment sheets. Yes, here are some file folders. There's also one with a tab in the center again. Super cute fussy cutting images, and then some of the journal pages. You know, there are 24 in total, but I just printed a few. I wonder what it feels like to actually live in such a mansion. Oh yeah, and in the beginning of the video, I showed you this special folder that you're gonna get a tutorial from in a few days. And I also made it with the Jane Austen kit. But I'm not going to show you the inside yet. Let's keep a little mystery, okay? And then another kit, the last kit that's going to be new in November, is the Medieval Castle kit. Everything Medieval Castle-y is in here, and I think style-wise, both kids and adults can really love this kit. It is not too childish, but it's still child-friendly, you know? So this is a horizontal paper. Apparently now we have some journal pages. Look. Oh, I love this. Look at that. Another journal page. Another journal page. Oh, a gate. Another journal page. Look at these shields. Oh. And oh, I love this paper. Like what? I think it's like this actually. But this patterned paper with these swords, it's amazing. Oh, more journal pages. Another journal page. And here's a paper that's just plain chainmail. Chainmail is just an amazing pattern. Another paper. Another vertical version of the first paper here. Another paper. And then some of the embellishment sheets, only a few. I think if you would glue these on very heavy cardstock or even chipboard and then gave them a Mod Podge layer, you can really make these coins for a game or something. And here's also one of the sheets from the embellishments. Okay, I hope you really enjoyed this sneaky peek video of what's to come in November. Keep an eye on the channel for new tutorials, etc. And of course, the deluxe kits will also have a similarly themed extra journal kit. I'm going to keep that secret for a little while longer. And I wish you now lots and lots and lots of fun crafting, because crafting is just the best. See you soon!